Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to your existing account on BlueWillow AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bluewillow.ai and press enter. You will then be taken into the official BlueWillow website. Now from this page, click on Try Now for free at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login page as well as the BlueWillow LimeWire application interface. Now if you created your account using your Google, your Discord or your Facebook account, you can click on the respective buttons and log into your social media accounts. And if you created your account using your email address, go ahead and type in your email address that you used and click on Continue with Email. You will then be asked to enter the authentication code that has been sent to your email. So go ahead and log into your account and you will find an email from LimeWire which contains your authentication code. Just copy this code and then enter it within the authentication code box and click on the Continue button. If you don't receive a code, you can click on Send a new code and enter the code, and now you will be logged into your account on BlueWillow AI by LimeWire. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on LimeWire by BlueWillow. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.